missing it? I don't see it. Oh, hold on. Thought I seen something there. Might have passed it up. Anyway, I'm middle of the street. Gotta be careful. Another plane going by. That's the first sighting for today. I seen a couple of twinkles and I thought they were gonna appear like they usually do. I'll usually see like a little twinkle and then that'll pop up, but that one just seemed to appear. And I was just right here sitting in my truck, just like this, watching everything. I hadn't seen anything. And that plane started going by and all of a sudden that thing appeared and I knew right away. Had my phone down here. And by the time I pulled up, I'm sure I captured when it was already going by, but it went right by it. We've gotten several of those close flybys like that. I mean, I don't know how far. It looks close on the camera here, so I don't know. That's another trippy one. No clouds around, murky skies, but still visible. And we'll see what else today has in store.